So your trip is in a few days and your brain will simply not stop running through the list. Did you pack your charger? Oh no, the medication. What is that one thing that I always keep forgetting? You have to always check your pocket on your way out probably as well. You've probably made tons of lists before and still walked out the door without something essential with you. So let me take this problem off your plate here, because this fear is actually very fixable, and most of what you're scared of, actually, it doesn't really matter. But first, here's the thing that nobody tells you about packing. Almost everything that you're afraid of forgetting, if you forget it, you can just pick it up somewhere at your destination in like 10 minutes or so. T-shirt, toothbrush, sunscreen, socks, even your phone cable. Stores exist anywhere in the world that you're going, and what you pick up there is going to work just as fine. Now, it may smell a little bit different than what you're used to. The branding is probably a little bit different as well, but don't worry. If you forget anything, it's usually not the end of the world. And at worst, it's probably a little errand or a little inconvenience for your trip. So hopefully that alone is going to drop your shoulders at least a little bit, right? But what actually matters the most here is that you create a little list of things that you genuinely cannot replace easily on the trip. So yeah, like I said, your medications, prescription, paperwork, it's a big one. Passport, of course. If you wear glasses, you probably want your prescription ones. Credit cards, and of course, big one, your phone that holds every booking that you made for your trip. But that is basically it. If you remember these 5 simple things that really deserve your attention as you're on the way out the door, then you're pretty much going to be safe. It's not all the 45 different little things that you're worrying about, like your favorite pair of tennis shoes. If you forget them, not the end of the world. So let me give you another little bit of a fixer. This usually takes a couple of minutes at most, and it is not to make a new packing list. Why? Because packing lists, they're often one time, and let's be honest, they're probably just gonna be forgotten by the end of your trip anyway. So instead, what we're gonna make is that we're gonna make a simple little template for you. So this is like a short standing list of things that you simply cannot replace on your trip. And it's a simple list, like it's short, so you can just run through it every time on the morning of departure, or in the car on the way to the airport, wherever, right? So things that are absolutely essential, like your medication, document, glasses, your phone, wallet, and usually a backup credit card is very important as well. Keys for when you get home, and if you're really worried, feel free to add a few more things to this template as well, like a charger or even your favorite jackets, or if those tennis shoes were really important to you, you can always write them up here as well. So once this little template exists, you don't have to like keep everything of this in your head or churning through it all the time. You just have to remember to run through this list and just triple check it if you want to. You can of course add more staples to it over time when you learn what you like to bring on your trip and what you feel is essential for you, and maybe you have a special product that maybe you didn't bring it last time, but for the next trip I would like really to remember this every time I go on a trip. So that's really what's being prepared actually is. It's a simple system that you can fall back on, not your brain working overtime to try to get everything perfect every time. And really notice what this changes in your head. The anxiety was never really about keeping your favorite toothbrush. It was probably more about just trusting yourself, especially like it's such high pressure situation, right, before you're going out on a trip. So yeah, you don't need to try harder to remember, just have something solid to lean on and you're good to go. So this type of template is the smallest piece of a bigger system that I've put together over the past decade, actually closer to 13 years now, traveling half the years, carry-on only. Templates usually handles these little, you can't replace items, right? The rest of my system, it handles everything else that drains you on a trip. So what clothes to bring, how to fit them, how to stay under airline limits, and how to move through the airport. Like everything else. It's the same like calm that you feel because of your template, just applied to the whole trip instead. If you're interested in that, I can add a special link under this video. That way you can get 30% off the standard price. I made it specifically 30% because that usually brings it under the cost of having to rebuy something you forget, or like an extra airline fee or something like that. Anyway, you can now stop rehearsing all this stress. Just go through the simple template before you leave home. You can build a template once when you want, and if you're interested, of course, you can lean on my system as well. One thing I will say though is build this template as early as possible. I mean, if this is the morning before you leave, that's totally fine too. But yeah, the sooner the better. It usually helps reduce anxiety as well. Hope this was helpful. Like I said, there is a link under the video. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.